Big bite.
And you're gonna go play with toys?
Hasn't said don't drop it. So record what?
Yes, but
Another.
So we're just going to sing happy birthday to him, and then we'll spell his name, cut his cake, and then he'll do the smash cake thingy. Alright. Are we ready? Yes. If you can hear me, clap once. Are we ready? Yes. Alright, let's sing happy birthday for him.
It never gets to be in my video.
He's right here. Okay, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Thank you everyone who has been helping City and family out with Cairo and his upbringing. I'm not going to talk, I just want to say thank you. Cairo is loved, and that is what is mattered most. He's healthy. And thank you all for being here. Thank you all for coming.
Alright, let's spell Cairo. Give me a C. C. Give me a tantalizing A. A. A delicious I. A mighty R. A powerful O. What does that spell?
I don't know if you want to throw ones all over a baby though.
That's okay.
Not on the face.
Oh yeah! Wait, Mama.
Not on the head or face.
Shake it, 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 shake it. Woo!
No? Look at Katie. Mama, chere. Grandma's like, I don't know what's going on. Face.
Let me get bullet right quick.
Yeah, it's good. I'm taking video. You're good. You're good. back pocket.
They're very distracting.
Yeah. Ah, Jaffa.
Straight like
Hachi. Hi. Zion, let me take a picture of you. Thank you. That is okay. Y'all both look amazing. Say cheese. Say cheese. Beautiful. Say cheese. Uchechi, say cheese. Tired. Good job, everybody. Good job. She's taking it very seriously. She's like, I see the camera. Is that scary, Indy? Indy is an avocado. This is October 31st, 2024, and it's Indy Bear's first Halloween. You wanna know what's really scary? We're going to Nigeria in
7 weeks.
7 weeks. Indy, you're under arrest by Daddy. Indy turned 11 months yesterday. And she's so active. Taking her to Nigeria is going to be quite the experience. I thought I could find other people's experiences on the YouTube to give me advice and recommendations on how to keep her safe and how to move around, but it's not a lot out there. I'm going to document our entire experience with, at that time, a 13-month-old baby traveling out to Nigeria into the village with an American, an unmelanated American.
We're all Americans.
And that's why I said an unmelanated American. 2 unmelanated Americans.
She get melon.
She does.
Yeah, no. I had melon too. It's not very much.
It's Indy's first Halloween.
Okay.
You want to give out candy to people? No? Maybe next year you can have some.